Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Snapchat on your accounts, easy and quick. First, you're gonna go to your profile and click here add friends, and here just type anyone here, and after this click add, and uh, it's gonna be your friend, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.